Yep, let's go ahead and go over Tyre. That's one we have never done. And just wait, you'll see. It's right in the beginning. So if you're new here, my name's Sandra. I love old books. This is my set of encyclopedias from the 1890s, the Chambers Encyclopedias. The chosen ones hate me because of it. So we're going to make sure that we keep going, okay? Tyre, a city of ancient Phoenicia, situated in 33° 12' north latitude, which probably derived its name from the double rock on which it was founded. I'm sure it's just a coincidence, though. There were two towns of Tyre closely connected together in historical times, one on the continent, the other on the island opposite, with an area of 200 acres. The most important of the two was the continental town, called Pele Tyrus. It stands out in the sea as the palm of the hand does from the wrist, says an old writer. The situation of the entire city was one of the most fertile, and its magnificent combination of land and sea scenery formed the theme of many an ancient poet and seer. Its ancient history is fully dealt with under Phoenicia. Tyre was a city on an island in the sea in the 14th century BC, when it is described in the Egyptian papyrus. Tyre, the double port, is its name. Water is carried to it in boats. It is richer in fish than in sands. There is a list of places that traded with Tyre in Ezekiel 27, with the names of the articles of commerce, including its famous purple dye. Isaiah called it the Mart of Nations. Explorations were made here in 1874, 1877, and 1881. Its two ports, the Sidonian to the north, the Egyptian to the south, each about 12 acres, have been identified by Major Condor as also the probable site of an old cemetery. Alexander the Great made a causeway from the shore, which has increased in birth to 1/4 of a mile by drifting sand. An aqueduct bringing water from the springs to Ras El Ain existed previous to 724 BC. The population of the island city seems to have been crowded together, the houses rising story upon story so that a larger number might be accommodated. Tyre was enlarged and beautified by Hiram. The sustained sieges by Salmanasar, Nebuchadnezzar, Alexander, 332 BC, and Antigonus. Under the Romans, Cleopatra received Tyre as a present from Antony, but the last trace of its independent existence was taken from it by Augustus. A Christian community was founded there in an early period. In St. Jerome's time, it was again the noblest and most beautiful city of Phoenicia. Nay, one of the most prosperous and noble cities of the whole East. In the 7th century, it came under the dominion of the Saracens, and so remained until taken by the Crusaders, who defended it till 1091. Soon after, it was destroyed by the Moslems. A visitor in 1355 found it a mass of ruins. From the settlement of the Medawela, or Persian schematics, in 1766, the town began to rebuild. About 5,000 inhabitants now dwell among the ruins of its ancient glory, finding scanty livelihood in its insignificant exports. Here, both Frederick Barbarossa and Origen are buried. Wow. Okay, what should we go over next?